Okay, fasting is actually so easy that it's mad. I don't know why nobody talks about this. Literally, all you have to do is distract yourself, do anything else than think about food. Revolve your life around anything else than food, whether it be doing something healthy, like going for a walk, going outside in nature, actually touching grass, playing with your kids, playing with your wife, hanging out with your wife, hanging out with your friends, you people you know. Do some activity to get your body moving. Maybe do like paddle boating, skateboarding, practice a sport, go work out if you're into that. As long as you're not overdoing it or anything and stressing yourself out. You can also just do stuff like play video games with your friends because your body burns fat just by breathing also. But if you want to speed it up, you can do like physical activity. Just don't overdo it. You can also read books, do researching. I'm reading this really good book that I recommend right now called Atomic Habits by James Clear. Check it out if you don't know about it. Follow all of these rules and you might still fall into temptation. And that's because you might not be doing this one simple trick that will help you. And that's to guzzle. I'm telling you, just drink water. Just drink tons and tons of water. By doing this, you're tricking your body, you're stimulating your stomach expanding, and you're tricking your body that you've consumed something, that you've eaten food. And also on the side, you can also have coffee if you want. I don't recommend coffee because it's a bit of a stressor, but you can also drink coffee. It is an appetite suppressant. But my number one tip is just drinking so much water that you feel full, basically. Play games with your family. Literally do anything that doesn't remind your body of food. Also, determine what your cue is for your craving and eliminate that. Whether it be food sitting on your counter or maybe when you're out, you see a restaurant or something like that, just remove those cravings. Back when I was strict on myself, sticking to numerous diets, I always focused on the positive. I never bummed myself out on what I couldn't have. I always focused on, oh, I have so much opportunity to try this food and this food and this food. I was always focused on what I could have rather than what I couldn't have. I was always grateful instead of being bummed out what I couldn't have. And that's the trick that you got to implement here. Do the same thing, but for activities. I can I can go out and exercise. I can go out and skateboard. I can go out and work out. I can go out and research what I'm interested in. There are many, many experiences that will improve you as a person rather than eating. So let's review. Number one, pleasure yourself with literally anything other than food, whether it be like video games, even, whether it be going outside, doing some activities, working out, all these things, spending time with your friends and family. When you get thirsty or when you get hungry, sorry, drink water or coffee and remove the cue. Stay away from food as much as possible. Like, try not to think about food, right? But that's the same thing as like try not to think of a pink elephant. You'll think of a pink elephant. Instead of that, try and focus on something interesting and focus on being grateful for what you can do rather than you can't do. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd enjoyed, and I will be posting new content soon. Goodbye, guys.